What's up, guys? Welcome back to another unboxing free stuff video. It's a pretty slow week, so let's go ahead and start it. We only have 7 items to unbox. Hope everybody's enjoying their summer and have your summer all planned out. Oh, Joy Care non-contact infrared body thermometer. Okay, even though the pandemic is over, it's still useful, to take care of your family, to make sure, they aren't sick. That's always useful. Keep it in the medicine cabinet. What's this right here? Another box. What is this? Jua. What is this? Best when used for. Oh, this is a polarized cycling goggles. Look at that. Okay, that's pretty cool. Just getting a little bit heavier in here. In case you wonder what do I do with all the boxes, yes, I do recycle them on a weekly basis. Sometimes there's so many boxes that it gets overflowing, but I do recycle. So I hope everybody is also doing their part to cut back on waste and prevent or lessen the effects of global warming. We have to do our part. So this is check this out, smart clock Wi-Fi camera with night vision. So it's like a camera with a built-in spy. I meant a clock with a built-in spy camera. That's pretty cool, isn't it? That's going to be a cool product to review and test. What is this? Another umbrella? A baton? I hope it's not another tripod. Oh, this is going to be useful. Look at this. Yes, a portable water flosser. Hope you guys watch a video of me removing my tonsils. I meant my tonsil stones. I can't remove my tonsils by myself. I'm not a doctor. I'm not qualified. So I'm going to actually be using this with me on trips. Got to clean your mouth properly, and the best way to use the water flosser is most effective. All right. You could probably save on buying like your dental floss. If you use water flosser, it's more effective and it lasts a long time. Oh, this one's pretty heavy. I'm kind of excited about this one. I'm actually backed up on the stuff I'm reviewing. I'm like probably like 1 week backed up. So I'm trying to average like 2 reviews a day, maybe with 2 days of break in between. 7 days in a week. Oh, what is this? Oh, wow. Look at this. This is a rain shower head and handheld shower combo. That's a beautiful color. Look at it. It's not a typical stainless steel or silver finish. This is like, what is it? Black chrome, matte black. Wow, this is heavy. So this is definitely a quality product right there. Okay, 2 more to go. I'll put this off to the side. Make sure I don't cut myself with this handy box cutter. So what would you guys like to see more of me doing in my channel? I know right now I'm primarily doing a lot of product reviews. So if I have time for some food reviews and maybe some traveling and how-to videos, yeah, hit me up in the comment section. So here is, oh, this is cool. My very first bladeless fan. That's the new technology right here. Oh, here's a and go, whoa, that's a red color, is sexy, especially with summer here. Bladeless fan, that's gonna be cool without the propeller blades or the fan blades that you can injure yourself on or gets damaged. So that's awesome about the fanless blade. Bladeless fan. I say fanless blade. All right, lastly, save the best for last, hopefully. This is quite a big box, somewhat heavy, 5.1 pounds it says. Hopefully it's an electronic device. Oh snap. That red color really throws it. It's attractive. What is this? Wow. Oh wow, look at this. This is good packaging right here. Power to change. Is it Cosinaire? So this must be one of these, oh yes, it's a portable rechargeable blender. Wow. So here are my upcoming product reviews. Make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Hope everybody's doing well. Take care of yourselves and enjoy your summer. And this is my YouTube life. I'm sharing with you.